Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Hello children! Welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is 10 nature color for kids. Our topic is 10 nature color for kids. Nature colors are all the colors in the rainbows. The sequence of colors gives us the characteristics pattern we are familiar with and that we learn from childhood. Most nature colors you find in taste, touch, and smell. When you see different things, you can put them in the categories of colors. The following are the colors of nature that can be easily identified even in our environment. Number 1, green. Examples are green leaves and green grass. Number 2, brown color. Number 2, brown color. Examples are brown tree, wood, and chair. Number 3, orange color. Number 3, orange color. Examples are carrots, bell peppers. Number 4, gray color. Number 4, gray color. Examples are rock and house mouse. Number 5, blue color. Number 5, blue color. The sky is blue. Number 6, red color. Number 6, red color. Examples are red wine and red blood cell. Examples are red wine and red blood cell. Number 7, black color. Number 7, black color. Examples are charcoal and black air. Number 8, pink color. Number 8, pink color. Example, pink flowers. Number 9, white color. Number 9, white color. Example, white bird. Number 10, lastly, yellow color. Number 10, yellow color. Examples are rainbow color and turmeric. Examples are rainbow color and turmeric. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.